We need to tell the story as a unified industry of America's fastest growing energy sector that's enhancing reliability, lowering costs for the American people, and strengthening America's energy and national security.
Safety, I've learned over all the years, it's not so much here, it's here. If they don't believe you care, they're not going to follow you.
It's critical to have your voice, the front line of our industry. We need you to get engaged in our advocacy.
Is there an appetite for a CPI to say, for us to ramp up as well, to have more certifications to make sure that our workforce is remaining safe?
Yes, absolutely.
The most important thing I'd like you to know is that the Clean Power Institute is here to serve you. You, the clean energy workforce who puts your bodies and hearts on the line each day to generate power for our country. You who service the wind turbines, the solar panels, and battery storage facilities. You who build the sites, connect the lines, and manufacture the parts that make our power systems run. And you who dig and lift and twist and pull and squat and train day in and day out through the snow, the heat, and the rain. You are the lifeblood of our industry, and we honor you.